Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Jammu and Srinagar locations. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Please like our videos. It will encourage us to do more videos for Jammu and Srinagar locations. And also subscribe our channel. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of. Firstly, there is a job openings for Sher-e Kashmir University of Agriculture Sciences and Technology of Kashmir. There is a walk-in interview which is going to happen on January 30. And qualifications, you can see there is a detailed information available. Young professional too. Qualification is BSc Horticultural or Agriculture or MSc Fruit Science. Salary offered up to 25,000 per month, and age limit is below 35 years, relaxed up to 40 years for SC and ST categories. You can check with the other information, detailed information available. If you want more information and official notification, you can browse the provided website address and you can get to know detailed information, what will be the application process, everything you can get to know. No TADA will be paid to the candidates on this account. In case January 30, 2021 happens to be a holiday, the interview shall be held on the next working day. So this is the note you can see. For more information, you can browse the official website address of the organization. Next, there is a job opening for Kashmir University. They are looking for junior research fellow. Salary offered up to 31,000 per month. And you can see freshers are eligible for this job role, and education qualification is MSc. Last day to apply for this job role is February 10, 2021. Selection procedure, if we see, shortlisted candidates will be called for walk-in interview. This is the application procedure. Eligible and interested candidates are encouraged to send their applications as per the prescribed format in along with copies all supporting documents as a single PDF file through email to Dr. Basharat Ahmad Want and BAWANT at kashmiruniversity.ac.in cc SERB PROJECT 2021 at gmail.com. So you have to share your all documents as a one PDF, single PDF file through these two email IDs. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. And the last date to receive the applications is February 10th, 2021. For more information, you can browse the provided website address and you can get to know more information. Details are available on this. Next, there is a job vacancies for Alpha Home Appliances. They are looking for marketing and sales executive position. You can see there is a job description available. You are responsible for acquiring business and achieving minimum defined sales targets. Good communication skills are required to develop and maintain the market. And if you are target based, that will be a bonus. You should collaborate with the sales team to identify and grow opportunities within territory. You must have a basic knowledge of marketing, air condition or VRF for domestic use. I have provided the official address details and there is also contact number available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job vacancies for RISE Institute. They are looking for IIT NEET Physics and Chemistry faculty. Salary offered minimum 75,000 to up to 2,30,000 per month. Who can apply? Who are like eligible for this job role? Only bachelors taken admission in IIT through JEE exam only they are eligible, and not masters and PhD from IIT eligible to apply. And BITS, BITS and DTU can also be considered. NIT graduates will not be considered irrespective of their work experience, and age should be less than 32 years. Freshers are also welcome for this job role, and you should be willing to relocate to Srinagar, Kashmir, because they have no other branches. You should be fluent in Hindi language. So these are all the job description details. You can go through it. For more information and further details, you can check with the given phone number. The contact number is 9625609563. Next, there is a job vacancies for IIT Jammu. They are looking for junior research fellow. Salary offered up to 31,000 per month. Education qualification MSc. Last date to apply for this job role is January 30, 2021. Procedure will be based on either written exam or interview. You have to apply as per the update. You can see all the applicants interested to participate in the selection process through VC mode are advised to email their detailed biodata along with scanned copy of all supporting documents such as educational certificates from 10th onwards, proof of date of birth, proof of experience if any, and summaries of projects done and experience certificate of previous projects. Like this, you have to put any qualifications like certificate of qualifying national test like NET gate like that to the provided email ID, that is sartaj at dot hasan at iitjimmu dot ac dot in. You have to share all these documents on or before by January 30 to 2021. So you must do before 2000, January 30, 2021. For more information, you can browse the provided website address. This is the official website address of IIT Jammu. You can go through it and you can get detailed information as well. So this is the email ID. You can go through it once. Next, there is a job vacancies for Combined Competitive Preliminary Examination 2021 JKPCSC. Jammu and Kashmir Public Service Commission. They are recruiting, and you can see freshers are eligible for this job role, and education qualification is any graduation. Job location will be Jammu. Last day to apply for this job is for this job roles is February 28th, 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. For more information and to get to know what is the detailed process of the application, you can go through the provided website address http://jkpsc.nic.in/. Next, there is a job vacancies for they are recruiting Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board for a library assistant position. Salary offered up to 63,200. There is a 42 vacancies available. Salary offered a minimum 19,900 to up to 63,200 per month, and freshers are eligible. Education qualification Bachelor of Library Science. Last date to apply for this job role is January 31st, 2021. For more information, you can browse the provided website address http://jkssp.nic.in/. Next, there is a job vacancies for marketing intern for Byju's. Job location will be Jammu, and the salary offered is up to 18,000 per month. There is a detailed interns day-to-day responsibilities like engaging customers through systematic BTL activations, taking ownership for maintaining a smooth offline presence in various BTL campaigns, maintaining excellent relationships with all clients or customers and team members. So detailed information available here. You can go through it once. For more information and to apply for the job, you can browse the provided website address https://byjus.com/apply/. I just wanted to describe this image. You should have an idea about what kind of career you are choosing, what the kind of field you wanted to enter, what type of industry you wanted to enter. Should have a clear idea so that you can get a proper planning and you can get an idea how to crack that particular field interviews or anything you wanted to prepare. So you should have a clear idea. It is very important first step to achieve in a career. And then if you got an idea what type of field, what type of technology, what type of company or industry you wanted to enter, then you can start a planning how to enter it. You have to plan it properly, either joining the institute or learning some courses online, whatever, up to whatever like flexibility you have to plan according to achieve that particular goal, whatever you have put to enter into an industry or to get a job in a particular field. So you have to plan properly, and you should set a strategy. How many months, how many days? We can't sit idle for days. Days will pass, months will pass, years also will pass. So we can't stick to a we can't wait idle. We can't sit idle for many days, right? So we have to put a strategy. How many days? Within how many days I have to crack that? Within how many months I should complete this, and I should get a particular. I should get into a particular field or particular job. So this is the strategy you should have in your mind. Then finally you will get a success automatically. So please be aware of your career, guys. You should have clear idea, plan it, and have a clear strategy. It will lead to success. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Jammu and Srinagar locations. As it is a first video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for job openings for Jammu and Srinagar locations. Let me know if you have any questions below in comments. I'll be replying for that. And I hope you will be supporting me. I'll try to give a genuine job information and more updates soon. Please like our videos and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.